Or put a light on top that you can light up and see what's up there. Change the different colors. Unboxing our hockey pucks. They're under cabinet lights. There are 6 of them, nicely packaged and in plastic as shown. And what we're going to do is unpack all of them. It is a 6-pack. You have 3 pucks, remote control, 2 sets, 8 self-adhesive stickers that simply go on the back of the unit. Put anywhere you want. Peel off, stick on, and peel off the outer shell and stick where you want. There are 2 holes so you can put screws as option for permanent mounting. Hold the unit, rotate, add in 3 AA batteries per unit, not included. They could be from rechargeables to disposables. When you press on the light, they will come on and change to different colors. Close the unit up by simply rotating. Remove the film for the remote control and simply press to the on button for the regular light and off. Looking over the remote control, you have an on, off, 30 minutes and 60 minutes with a fade and smooth with a positive and negative and a W and 12 different colors or more. Simply press to the light, will come on. You have a smooth mode that's changing from one color to the next. You have a fade mode that would change from one color, fade in and out. Choose a color. You have a plus and a minus. That is your brightness level. And W to go for white. You have red, green, a blue, a red, a greenish, a bluish, which is purple, an orange, a teal or turquoise, a purple, a yellow, a royal blue, and a different type of purple. When hitting the 30 minutes, it'll blink once, or 60 minutes, it'll blink once and shut off at those times. If the remote control is not around, simply press on the light and it'll change the colors. Long pressing doesn't do anything. It just cycles through a few colors. These are indoor under cabinet pucks to be put anywhere imaginable. Supply your own AA batteries. More than one can be hooked up and used with the remote control. We're going to show you what this looks like underneath the cabinet. Underneath the cabinet, and you want to accent to different colors. You have the option to put it to white. And here's one that's on. And it gives a beautiful accent to your flowers and your pottery. You need to see in your cabinetry or change different colors. As you can see, the light. We'll demonstrate with 2 at the moment by hitting on the remote control to the on. Choosing the brightness level of each, you can see them both operating, and then hitting the smooth or the fade. Then we can shut the unit off. And if we come over here to one unit and we set it up to a color and turn on both units, we have different types of colors happening. So we can have alternate colors and sequences going along, red, green, blue, and have them change periodically. If you ever need to change the batteries, it's just a simple twist and replace like that. And put back on for another time of use. I hope you enjoy your 6-pack 2 remote control hockey puck system of different colors and accents for your needs. Anywhere imaginable, you can put these. Batteries not included.